Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello friends and family. To see how I actually achieved this coil hairstyle, please stay tuned, continue watching this video to the end so you can see how I actually achieved and make this hairstyle. Please continue watching. To achieve this hairstyle, we'll be needing our anti-jockey coil Lala. You can get this coiling cream from any store where they sell health items, so you can get it there. So we'll be using our rollers to our brush. So let's get started. First of all, you have to spray your liquid on the hair to moisturize it a little bit. Then you add the anti-junky coily cream on the hair. Then you go in with your rollers. You brush it, then you add your rollers to the hair. So you make it, when you're rolling the hair, you have to add the hair to the roller to make it very firm. You have to make it very firm and tight. So this is it, a very simple hairstyle, and to achieve it in a very simple way, you can use anti-jockey coiling cream with your rollers and water to moisturize the hair. Thank you all my subscribers. I just hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. I'm very happy for this great milestone, TV digit numbers, and I can't achieve this without you all, and I really appreciate you, my family, my friends. Thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate you all for doing that, for taking this channel to another level, for having 3-digit numbers. And today, if today is your first time on my channel, please subscribe, please subscribe to promote my channel. I'm actually new on this platform on YouTube. Please subscribe to support me, and please press the notification button so you can actually get notified whenever I post any video, and also always like, comment on my video so that YouTube can send this video out so that other people can see it and watch it. Please support your girl, and I really appreciate you. I'm grateful. Thanks. And on our hairstyle with the coil anti-jockey coil Lala, it's a very wonderful cream. You have to try it out, friends. Really try this hairstyle on your natural hair, any type of hair, relaxed hair. The coils are going to come out really nice in any way you want it. I actually make my own really big. Understand? I actually cut the hair really big. You can actually divide your hair in a little way. Use smaller rollers depending on how you want the coils to come out. So I'm done with the rollers. So right now I'm going to go in to use the hand dryer on the hair. Jockey coil Lala. It's a very wonderful cream to achieve coils. So I'm done, guys. I actually dried my hair. So, and I also removed the rollers off camera, and this is the result. It's really wonderful. First time doing this hairstyle. It's really wonderful, guys. It's really nice. Came out really looking nice. It's just as if I actually fix with one on my hair, and it's just my hair. you too can make this simple hairstyle. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching up to this time. I really appreciate you. Please like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.
If I were to the sea,